Hello, GURPS Collectibles here, and today I am opening a 2018 Panini Prizm Football Blaster Box. There's 6 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Find 1 autograph or memorabilia card per box. And also in this, look for Blaster exclusive laser prisms. You get 3 of them per box on average. You know, this runs up to about $20 at Walmart plus tax. You know, much cheaper than a hobby box, but you know, they're getting expensive right now. I think a hobby box is like $240. Probably an average of it. You know, some of it might be a little higher, but that one you get autographs and a bunch of number cards. But this one you're not guaranteed number cards, but you are guaranteed at least a memorabilia. But you might get a chance at an autograph, but we'll see. So let's bust this open and see what we get today. Hoping we get some big name rookies. You don't get as many rookies, I think, in here either. There might be 3, I think, maybe. I can't remember. We got our packs here. Josh Gordon, Andrew Luck. We got a rookie of Sony Michel. It's not bad. And Keenan Allen. AJ McCarron. Backwards card. Oh, we get an autograph? Oh, we did. Well, I guess I seen it. You know, I won the pull at Rasheem Green. It's the that is actually the laser prism parallel also, and these are not numbered. Well, that's cool. At least we pulled an autograph. And we got a rookie of Kalen Ballage and Eli Manning. I never really expected to pull an autograph out of this box, to be honest. We got Devin Funchess, Jimmy Graham, and the laser prism regular one of Danny Amendola, and a McCoy base. Now, I don't know if that autograph is part of the 3 exclusive, but we'll find out. Eric Whittle. And we got an insert here of Kurt Warner, Pro Football Hall of Fame. It's not numbered. Pretty cool card. A rookie of Justin Jackson and a James White base. 2 more packs to go. Von Miller, Melvin Ingram, and here another laser. We got the rookie of Jalen Samuels. And a Marquise Goodwood base. Ramsey, Floyd. And we got another laser parallel. 3rd regular base one of Michael Crabtree. Base of Frank Gore. So that was a pretty decent box. You know, got some big name rookies. Our 3 laser parallels or prisms. Usually they get about the 2. You know, I've opened a couple of these before off camera, and usually it comes with like the 2 veterans and then the 1 rookie for the laser. And then of course our hit was this autograph. Oh, and this is a sticker autograph too. It's not on card, which I guess is the only downside of this, but that's okay. You can't really complain getting a autograph out of a blaster box when you're not guaranteed that. Usually 9 times out of 10 it's a memorabilia card, so can't go wrong with that. So that will do it for tonight's break. Like, comment, or subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I will be back with another video soon.